Hello, and welcome to the Chef's Backyard. Tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious prime element burgers cooked over charcoal. It's the inGrill Basic. I think you're gonna like this video. You ready to cook? Let's go! Check out the sunset behind me. We're gonna make a whiskey buffalo sauce, and we're gonna cook it on the inGrill's barrel cooker. Let me show you how to do it. Tonight, we build a masterpiece. Take a splash of bourbon, got our old-fashioned mixer. Now, we're ready to cook. All right, so you want your burger patties to be about as big as your bun, right? So we've got a mold here, and we wanna fill it up. We're gonna do some thick burgers, all right? See that? So we'll take our ground beef, get a nice handful. And we'll stuff it into that mold. Okay. Just press it down, press it in there, fill it out. Then you can work it by hand a little bit. All right, those look pretty good. Nice thick patties. Let's get them seasoned up. Season these. Now that our burgers are seasoned, let's check on the fire. All right, our coals are almost ashed over. We'll let those go until those tops are nice and white. And then we'll put the lid on and see what kind of temps we're gonna get. Now let's build our sauce. Take a spoon of mayo. We'll add a splash of jalapeno ranch, a splash of buffalo sauce. Let's kick it up. Remember, this is the prime element after all. We'll add a splash of whiskey in there. And we'll mix it all together. Add some black pepper, pinch of salt. We'll even give it a splash of pickle juice. And there you have it. There's your special sauce. I'm gonna go set this in the fridge, let it gel up. We're gonna put our grill grate on. We're gonna put the lid on, and I'm gonna leave that wide open. We want as much heat rolling through there as we can get. So right now, we're reaching temperatures over 500 degrees on this grill. Fueled by fire, cooked over raw charcoal on the grill. Now we'll close the lid and let the grill work its magic. It's evenings like this that I really enjoy cooking in the backyard. Look at that sunset behind me. The sky, beautiful colors. Cheers to you, my friends. This is one of the things that I enjoy about backyard cooking. You get to be out in nature. The visual cues of the sunset kind of tell you that it's time to wind down your day. Reminds you in a setting like this that you're at home, hopefully surrounded by loved ones, about to enjoy the evening's meal. It's a wonderful feeling. To me, that's what the Chef's Backyard is all about. Cooking the best food, sharing it with the people that you love at the place that you enjoy. Let's see what's going on inside this barrel. Burgers are cooking, sausage is cooking. All right, there we go. Turn that last burger. Let's get a temp check on these burgers, see where we're at. All right, sitting right at 130, 140 in these guys. Cover them up, let them go just a few more minutes. So what are the favorite toppings that you enjoy on your burgers? I always like bacon and cheese. I love pickles. I'll go all the way with the veggies, you know, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle. Even, you know, do a little bit of weird stuff on there. Sometimes I like an onion ring or something. Those are pretty good. Tell me what you like in your burgers. Maybe I'll make it. If you give me the full rundown, maybe I'll make your whole burger and we'll compare notes. So I've got some fully cooked bacon. We're gonna drop it on the grill, let it sizzle over, let it kind of crisp up. Show you what I'm doing. All right, we'll make some room over here, move the burgers around the outside, move the sausage around the outside, and we'll just take our bacon strips and lay them across the grates, right? Make sure that they don't fall through the grates. Again, this is already fully cooked, so really all we're trying to do is just get it sizzled up. We'll put the lid on there. All right, so another trick that I have, get you some of these cotton gloves. They are made for the grill, and then you can put a nylon glove over it. That way you can use your fingers for things. Let me take you in there. You see how you got all those bubbles on there? That tells me that piece of bacon is ready because your fat is rendered out. Okay, we're gonna set this over here. We're gonna let these guys cook. You can probably pull the sausage off too. Once you see that sausage split, you know it's ready. And in just a few minutes, we're going to put some cheese on these burgers. All right, let's take a peek. Looks like all of that bacon is ready. All right, we've got some cheese going on. Let's go ahead and give that a little topping. One more little bit, little chefy snack. Now the sun is like almost completely set. We're getting to twilight, but the best thing, these burgers are almost ready. Who's hungry? I know I am. All right, so you can see the cheese is already melting. Let's put on the top and let it finish its job. Look at that melted cheese. You got melted cheese, hot coals. All right, let's take these burgers off. We'll leave those two on. My girls like their burgers more well done. And we'll take advantage of that heat, and we're gonna toast these buns. We'll bring you back to the cutting board. We'll take that bacon, put it on these burgers. All right, let's grab these toasted buns, and we're gonna build this burger. Let's take our whiskey sauce. We're gonna put some on both sides. Lay it down as a base. Go with a little bit thicker, heavier on the top so it can drip over the burger. We're gonna grab one of our thick bacon patties, put that on. Now let's cut it in half. What do you think of that? Now let's take a bite. Wow, that sauce is bomb. You got the creamy, ranchy thing going on, and then you've got the buffalo sauce that comes in with the acidity and the kick. You got the bacon, you got the cheese, melted, saucy, crunchy, crispy bun. Exactly how I imagined it. Over the top, prime elements, right here on the chef's backyard. Boom. Happy dance, grilling burgers, happy dance. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Make these burgers, let me know what you think about them. Also, let me know what you like in yours, and we'll see you soon here at the chef's backyard. Boom. Delicious prime element burgers cooked over charcoal. It's the inGrill Basic. I think you're gonna like this video.